Hey, you! Another unboxing video here. And what we have today is an entry-level smartphone from Xiaomi, which is the Redmi A1. To start, I would like to apologize as the video is indeed quite shaky. I was shooting this one-handed, and the phone camera I was using was already trying its best to perform stabilization. The Redmi A1 is one of the phone models under the Android Go program, which is the stripped-down version of almost top Android, used on low-spec devices. As seen here on the bottom, this particular unit is the black variant, with 2GB of memory and 32GB of storage. Other variants come in light green or light blue and 3GB of memory. No other storage options aside from 32GB. Inside the box, aside from the phone itself, we have this carton separator which contains the USB-A to micro USB charging cable and the wall break or charger. Some included documentation like the warranty and user guide, and the SIM ejector tool. As for the phone, it features, as listed here, an 8-megapixel rear camera, a 5000 mAh battery capable of only 10 watts of wired charging, a 6.52-inch 720p IPS LCD screen, and a MediaTek Helio A22 processor. The other camera out of the two-camera array at the back is a simple 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens. Here at the left side is the pop-out tray for the SIM card and microSD memory. While on the right, we find the power button, as well as the volume rocker. At the top would be the speaker grill. Then at the bottom, we have the primary microphone, the micro USB port, and a 3.5mm audio port. By the way, the back of the phone features this faux leather textured finish, which should be the only non-basic aspect of this model. Take note that it is just a finish, and that it is still made out of plastic. It is definitely not fake leather, as what some imitation fashion items are made of, and most definitely not actual leather. Here's what the screen looks like when the phone is powered on. Of course, you won't be able to appreciate the actual quality of it as this was just recorded from another phone camera, but it should give you a general idea. It's a 720 by 1600 regular refresh rate screen, capable of a maximum brightness of 400 nits. By the way, unlike with other phones from similar Chinese brands, the jelly case seen here is not included in the Redmi A1 package. I just bought it separately for this phone. And that is it for this unboxing video of the Xiaomi Redmi A1 smartphone. Tap or click that like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. This has been Mo, and thanks for unboxing with me.